Sometimes we've got to take a reality check and realise that people come to Ballina for a holiday and we live here.
Byron is quite close and the Gold Coast is like 45-minute drive from here, so if you ever want to get out of town, you've got the opportunity to go up the coast or down the coast if you wish. It's a great work environment, as well as the hours you work are, unbelievably great for the area in which we live in.
I mean, I can't even imagine now, if you've ever travelled a long way to go to work, gee, an extra hour driving each day or each way, it takes a big chunk of your day out. So, we have quite good hours here. We can start early and finish by 3. Still got a few hours to do a few chores around the house or go swimming or surfing if that's your cup of tea.
It's a beautiful place. You've got the beaches, you've got a beautiful river, and you've got the hinterland 20, 30 minutes away. So it's really got the best of most regions.
Everything is just great. Why would you want to live anywhere else?